What's up, TikTok? Today we're going to be making a Parmesan garlic pasta. I've seen this made by some other people. I wanted to give it a try. So we're going to start off with some chicken. Throw that in a crock pot. So we're going to put some Parmesan garlic sauce over your chicken. All I could find was the Walmart brand. Next, you're going to take some heavy cream. You're going to put that into the bottle and pour it over the chicken. Make sure to shake it up really well. Next, we're going to add a block of cream cheese and throw in some Parmesan cheese as well. The shredded Parmesan cheese would be better, but I did not have any. So I'm going to put my crock pot on high for 4 hours. After 4 hours, this is what we have. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to break up your chicken and stir everything together. Give that a nice stir it all nice together. So we're going to boil our pasta. I have some wheat penny pasta. Dump that into your crock pot and mix everything together.
Sunshine and birds, clouds.
As a side dish, I put some broccoli on my plate as well. And that is the final product. And I must say that this is one of the most delicious pastas I've ever had. There was not a single bite left. And there was plenty of leftovers for